Steel Mama specializes in the development of roll-forming machines. This video shows the production process of a high-quality 3-layer roll-forming machine. Manual feed shears delivers smooth, effortless cutting in a single operation. This machine uses chromium coatings to enhance roller longevity and precision. This machine works extremely efficiently, can reduce its manufacturing costs, and shortens lead times. It adopts hydraulic drive to automatically position, determine the size, and cut the target product. This single machine produces trapezoidal, glazed tile, and arc roofing sheets, integrating 3 production lines into one compact unit. It eliminates the need for multiple dedicated machines, significantly reducing both investment costs and factory footprint. Thank you, customers, for your trust. Steel Mama always give you proper solution.